Hello all you lovely computer scientists. Today we're going to be showing off all the ways to set up an input to be a different thing than a string. So input casting. It could have be an integer, a float, a boolean, a hexadecimal, a string if you want, yeah. But we'll show off all ways to cast a string correctly into a different data type. When you are working in Python, you will end up having inputs from the user 99% of the time, unless you are creating a program where you, as the programmer, input the data. So usually our inputs will look like this. Variable equals input and some message running to it, so enter a number. Now, as you can see, we're asking for a number to be entered, but as you will see, if we print the type of our variable, when I input, I can input 5 string. So we can't actually use that for any calculations. It is not a number to our program. To our program, that is about as much as a number as the word hello is. So what we would need to do is, with any input, we would need to cast it, change its data type, so say int. Now what this will do is it will automatically make whatever we put into it a number, if it can. So if I put 5, class integer. So now we can actually use that, so we could do print variable -1. We can actually do things with the number. So once again 5, once again 5, int, and then returns 4, because that's an actual number now. Let's see if we do the same thing, but without the int, it will give us a error. Unsported operand. Strings and integers. Now you can have it be other things. You can have it be floats, right? Just to prove it. Let's make it a float. 5, 4.0. I'm just quickly going to remove variable there, so I can show it off with non-numbers. But you can have it be a bool. Variable equals bool. So if I input true, class bool. So yeah, you can cast it like that. There is another option if you want to cast it differently. After the variable equals int variable after, that also works, but it is more efficient to do it on the same line, as you are saving space. So if I do once again 5 class integer, it is more efficient to do it on the same line, as you are saving space in your code, therefore making it more readable, and you're also saving file size, which would make your code run faster as well. So yeah, that's input casting in its most basic form. Thank you all very much for watching the video. I do hope you learned something. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe. Especially comment, because I love hearing how you learn, so I can make better videos for you and me, so we can both learn a bit more effectively. Thank you very much.